Skywars, but everyone is an airplane. If you want more content, make sure to check me out on twitch.tv/snipes3_4 Darwin.
Yo, Skywars, but your DPI's at max.
What's DPI?
Oh my god, that's so slow. Okay, there we go.
I think I could probably get
Going to,
DPI. DPI is your mouse like sensitivity, right?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Are you on max right now?
No. No. What makes you think?
Wait, come up here and turn for me. I want to see you like this left. Oh my fuck. Move.
Burn.
Haha, bitches. Chill. Watch this.
Oh, you. Ow. Okay, I'm at. No, 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 no.
Oh, there's a fly hacker. There's a hacker. There's a hacker. The gold guy is a hacker. It's okay. You watch this guy in the gold armor.
Yeah, I died by the hacker. Don't worry. I died by the hacker.
Watch him. Just come and watch the guy in the gold armor.
I don't see anything wrong with this.
He's running.
It's cracked.
Yeah, this guy's running laps around everyone, bro. He's too good.
I don't see anything wrong with it. Dude, he obviously just has admin role. He's just a VIP, you know? Just VIP. That's all.
Oh, this is the server owner, isn't it?
Fog, bro.
Yo, 1v2 god, right? 1v2 god.
You're cracks. You're cracks. Look at that.
11
Cracks,
kills.
my guy.
Imagine
That's when
spending. This guy spent money on the game just to hack.
Couldn't be me.
He's cracked. Or I mean, hack. I mean, just
Look,
be gone.
it's that's not dream actually.
Well,
That's
it's timeless, bro. It's timeless. It's timeless.
dude, timeless. How's it going, man?
Timeless, you remember me?
What's your name?
I thought you played Fortnite.
Snipes, I'm cold.
Okay.
It's cold. Okay, get away from me. It's cold and barren out here.
Okay, Dad. I always get scared of dropping down there because there used to be a map where it would be like that, but you fell into the void.
Let's see here. There's an. Oh, you have a.
There's another hacker.
Okay.
There's another hacker. I hate my life. Are you at our base? Where did the hacker go? Oh, I found the hacker again.
Where's he at?
He's at mid, just destroying everyone in crazy 1v7s.
Wait, is this the same? Holy crap! Is this the same guy?
I think so. Wait, you died?
I jumped off the edge.
I can't see who it was last time. Are we actually want? No, I don't want to get in the game with this guy again. Fuck you.
I mean,
There's a guy here.
oh my god, oh, he's a hacker.
No, he's not. He's just good at Minecraft.
Dude, I swear that guy started doing freaking spins in front of me like a fly hacker.
Everyone here is a fly hacker, chill. Yo, Perry's with us again.
Dude, look, he's definitely a hacker. He's crouching. He's definitely a hacker.
Listen up. I'm giving
What's
you
your favorite color?
Listen up.
Oh, okay.
We're
Okay.
winning this fucking game. You wanna know why? Cause I'll show you why.
Okay.
I'm not gonna miss a single bow shot.
Yeah, you're probably gonna miss all of them actually.
See, you haven't missed one yet. I haven't missed
I think
one.
you missed all of them.
I hit 2. I mean, I hit them all. What? Stop throwing shit at me.
I hate that obviously. Did you go down and check this chest?
What chest?
Nothing. No! Did you snipes?
I'm joking, chill.
Snipes, I don't have a pickaxe.
There's an actual hacker. Hide.
Nah, I can kill him, I can kill him, I can kill him.
He can't get to me.
He's mining down, he's mining down.
He can get to me.
Wait, you might kill him with the lava.
Nope, he's cracked. Minecraft, but all we do is face against hackers. Is that what
No, we're so good. Listen. Minecraft has incorporated, skill-based matchmaking. So we're so good that we're facing against hackers, and that's why we're only losing.
Oh, okay.
Dude, I even freaking ate a golden apple.
You didn't even need to eat the golden apple.
I did. What do you mean? No, I didn't.
You could have had extra hits if you didn't.
I needed to though.
No, because you could have died. You just took the sword that I didn't need.
Mining away. Something about what they say.
There's another hacker.
There's a sword over here if you need
There's a hacker
it.
again. Come watch. Told you.
No, it's okay. I can beat him.
Minecraft, but we only face hackers.
Skywars, but we only face airplanes.
We call it that.
Skywars, but airplane mods. Both airplane mods. And then the airplane,
but everyone's airplane.
Skywars, but everybody's. And then every single clip is just us going up against hackers. I got him off.
Is he a hacker too?
No. I killed him. He's definitely not a hacker.
I killed a hacker. Ooh, there's another hacker. There's another hacker.
Wait. Is he actually a freaking hacker? I got him down to 5 health.
We might actually be able to call this Minecraft. Oh, the hacker's dead.
He just died. I got him down to 5 health, bro.
We actually might be able to make this video called Minecraft Movie Only First Airplanes.
Minecraft, but everybody has swiftness potions but me.
Minecraft, but everyone flies.
Minecraft, but it looks like everybody has elytras but me.
See, you never.
I had 4
it's the
kills
girl
there.
again. Why are we versing everyone we've already played against? Kermit. There's Kermit.
Do you want to play a different game? Because we can.
Well, yeah, we like still Minecraft, but like not. Please not Bed Wars. I feel like Bed Wars is the only game that you can't hack on. Here's your arrows.
Thanks.
Is it? You wanna go try it? No, I'm joking. Oh, this isn't you. How did Kermit's a hacker?
It's a hacker. It's a hacker.
Follow him. We're airplane clips. Where'd he go?
Oh my god, he glitched back to our base.
Where is he? What's his name? Marquez? Wait, where is he now?
In mid, second floor.
Oh, I see him.
Bro, you're cracked.
Minecraft, but I'm an airplane.
Dude, insane. He wasn't even looking at the kid behind me and killed him.
Yo, he's not even building with the actual blocks. He's building with his sword, bro. He's too good.
Yeah.
Don't even try to run. Kermit's gonna kill you. This guy, like, he tries the bridge and then he's just doing this shit.
Dude, I literally think we have enough footage of freaking hackers right here that we can make a 10-minute long video.
No, we can make like a 20-minute long video. Wait, did he win?
Yeah, you won.
Oh my god.
Back us out.
How many kills
Back
did
us
he
out.
have?
Wife out a hoe.
Can't make a wife out of a hoe. Oh,
Oh.
Oh,
that's what someone just said in chat.
oh, yes.
Augustin.
Buggers.
I have a hoe. In Minecraft.
Absolute puggies.
Ow, ow! Someone's
Did
on
I
my
say
base.
owa, owa? No, I didn't say owa, owa. So why you saying owa, owa?
Because ow, god.
True. No, Stux is.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Stux is ow, god. There's a team!
Stux in chat. Stux
Yeah.
in chat, guys. Stux in chat. Stux in chat.
That kid wanted to smoke and he lived. That's not allowed.
Okay, you're funny. You're funny, Crimson.
It's nice.
Nah.
You do damage.
'Cause I just got a kill.
Oh, makes sense. Makes sense. Jeez.
I see you. I see you. Don't think I
Hey,
don't see you.
you guys might want to watch out for this bee hopper named Cooper Trooper.
Actually,
He's privately flying. Actually, he got my.
wait,
he
wait,
actually?
Crimson, we got a team.
Help me! Help me!
He's flying.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Houston! Houston! Help
This
me!
guy's the worst hacker alive. This guy's the
Okay,
worst
push him,
hacker alive. Alright, you're
I
dead.
tagged
You're
him
dead.
on.
Have fun. He's got
Help me! I'm
kill
stuck!
He's got
Oh
killed.
my god, kill Aura!
Have fun.
Kill Aura!
Have fun. He's got have fun. Have fun. Have fun.
Dude, he's using what he's doing, he's
fun,
using
bro.
kill aura and he's using something to like pull you in, dude. He's like a black
No!
hole with kill aura.
Have fun.
He lost!
He lost.
Everybody.
He's lost his hand.
He just lost with hacks. Oh my god, he's
Imagine.
actually terrible.
He's
Look, I
so
see you. There's one guy in between us.